how to filter or hide old notifications on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, let's go back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, we then scroll down and tap on notifications. In here, tap on sort and filter notifications. Then in the filter notifications section, tap on old notifications. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch this on. When this is turned on, it will filter notifications received more than a few days ago. So basically what it does is it will group old notifications into a single drop down. When you tap on it, it will expand and show you older notifications. Otherwise, it will keep it minimized so that it doesn't clutter your screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.